Hi guys, welcome. This is Eliza, and today I want to share with you a reveal from a purchase that I made. Actually, it took like a month to get here. I ordered it online from Everlane. So yeah, I think I ordered it August. I saw it was on a clearance sale. Yeah, I got it, I think probably for like 50% off. So here's the shoes. It came in this big box. Actually, it's a big box. It's bigger than I expected. I was able to order previously with Everlane with my day glove. Okay, so it came with this box and it was like so. It came with this. I actually like ordered just for, I wanted to try one of their bikini, like low cut bikini, so I kind of like ordered one also. Yeah, so it just came in this box, this big box. Okay, so it took a while to get here, like a month, but before with my day glove it was like 5 days and I got it already. I'm living in the Philippines, so straight from the States. I got like my first purchase, which is a day glove. It came in like 5 days, and then with the current situation, it came in here a month. Okay, so this is it is called the trainer. It's here. I got it in off-white color. Yeah, so I actually took a peek already and I saw it. I already opened it. I did not do any unboxing when I got my day glove before. But yeah, I kind of thought that I would do something like right now, because honestly I wasn't really pleased about how I received it. Okay, so it looks like this, of course. Yeah, so it's this. It looks nice. It does look nice, as I would say. Yeah, so here it is. So, but I tried it on, like one of it. Tried the left one, but honestly, looking at it, reason why, because I took a picture of this like right after I opened it, like just right after I opened it. I took a photo of it, and looking at the photo, suddenly I saw, like, it was not as pleasing as I kind of thought it would be. Okay, so I came in, of course, probably it's because it's on sale. It's like 50% off, and honestly, as of right now, you cannot buy this anymore in Everlane website. But as you can, it was just so bad that, why would you still want to sell it? Of course, it's 50% off, but it just looks so bad already. Price-wise, it is correct, but as you can see here, these are the shoes. Okay, so I did tried on like the right, I think, okay, the left pair, but then as you can see here, this already has creases. Like, they have creases already. I've never tried this on. As you can see, it's still well dyed. I tried this side. This was never touched, but it already has creases. Okay, it has creases, and bad enough. As you can see here, like, it can actually, like, it just can snap anytime. It was very disappointing because, yeah, it is on clearance, but if it's this bad condition, for a company like Everlane, that they are really as if very conscious of, or like how they produce their products, I mean, I loved the day glove. I mean, I can wear it anytime. I mean, it goes well with everything that I own. In terms of that, yes, I'm very satisfied with day glove. In terms of the wear, actually, it's very disappointing, and probably I'll discuss that when I actually do my review. But as of right now, this is, I mean, it just looks so bad. This and this, I was just not expecting about, I mean, how they would still wanna, you know, make money off of this. It could have been just, you know, 20 bucks, not even. Yeah, but I got this probably about 50. Yeah, it's 50% off. I'm not really sure of how much, because I mean, when they sent it to me, it has nothing. I was just surprised how bad of a condition it came. Yeah, so this is the shoes, this is the off-white trainers. I'm not really sure, I'm not really very pleased about this. I mean, look at it, come on, it's just so bad. I'm not sure if I can still return this one. I mean, it's not anymore available. I think this is a final sale. It's just so bad. It just, yeah, I mean, it's very disappointing. It's the reason why I kind of like created this video. I mean, this is the first video that I created. I don't really do like unboxing or reveal video. Probably I should. I mean, just, you know, just to expose. Actually, this is the second purchase from Everlane. I'm not really sure if I'm interested on doing so. It's just not. I mean, I wasn't really pleased with the quality of the day glove. I mean, in terms of the wear, but it came in a good condition. It's very good condition. It came in very fast. It's just that this second purchase, it wasn't just very good experience anymore than the first that I had. But yeah, I will probably get back for like a you know, like a review on this if I ever wore it, if ever like popped off. Yeah, because it looks like it would already. Like, look at this, look at that. Yeah, okay, so, and yeah, and all the creases here, it just looks so bad. It just looked that it has already been used, or it has been, you know, it's just doesn't look very brand new to me. Yeah, and as of right now, as and this is like the pair, the part of the shoe that I've never really touched, and it has something like that also. Yeah, I mean, this is just not good. It just doesn't look good to me. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So I hope you kind of like had an insight. It was a very unpleasing experience with Everlane at this second time around. Probably, I'm not really sure, probably it's because it's on, that's the reason why it's on clearance, but it's just so bad. I mean, you know. Okay, thank you, and I hope to see you soon. Okay, so here it is worn. Actually did not, yeah, excuse my carpet, but yeah, how I wore it. So this is basically what I was telling earlier, this one. Yeah, this, yeah, as you can see, I can actually put in hand, and you can see that is already like the gap there. I'm not sure if how many times I can actually wear it that it's still gonna be glued. I mean, it looks nice though. I mean, it has a good height to it. Fit wise, it has height. It gives, you know, a very comfortable, because, well, I follow their sizing that it can be, that I should like size up. I did size up, and it's okay. I mean, it's not so bad, but I feel it's a little bit loose, but it's okay. I mean, I can wear like a thicker socks on it. It's okay. But yeah, but this is how it looks like on me. Still not pleased because I'm very, very concerned about the glue. Yeah. Okay, thank you guys.